Before we impart the blessing, I would like to convey to you the greetings of Pope Francis.
Kindly be seated.
Before I left Rome 2 weeks ago, I informed him that I would be celebrating the Mass on the Feast of St. Francis Xavier here in Goa. And I promised to convey his paternal and filial greetings to you. And he said, please do. So now I have fulfilled my promise to the Holy Father. I will go back tonight to Rome and report to him that I have seen the fervor of faith and love among the faithful here in the Archdiocese of Goa and Daman, and also from people outside of this territory. May you burn with love, for God has loved us. And to our delegates to the Missal, yes, we may plan so many things, we may strategize, but without missionaries burning with love, no mission really happens. We will just get tired working and maintaining institutions and structures, but in the end, we might not be fulfilling really the mission. So please contaminate others with the love that Jesus has poured into your hearts.